Okay, today we're going to do video 21. Multiplying 2 by 2. I'm going to show you two different problems, but each problem I'm going to do two different ways, so hopefully you can see it, and then you'll have two problems to practice. The first one I'm going to do is area. Let me write the problem out first. 79 times 16. This is the problem, and I'm going to show you how to do it with standard and area. We're first going to do it with standard. Area. So I'm going to draw a window and then break it into 4 because I have 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to break it into place values. So the value of that 7 is 70 and the value of that 9 is 9. Then the value of that 1 is a 10 and the value of that 6 is 6. So now what I'm going to do is in each box I'm going to multiply. So in this box I'm going to do 70 times 10. In this box I'm going to do 10 times 9. Here I'm going to do 70 times 60. And then here I'm going to do 9 times 6. See, I got it there, here and here, here and here, there and there. So, first of all, I'm going to do the easy ones first. 10 times 9 equals 90. 5 times 6 equals 54. This is where it gets a little tricky. 6 times 0 equals 0. And then 6 times 7 equals 42. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is 7 times 1, and I get 7, and then I have 1, 2 zeros. It's from the power of 10. I'm going to put 2 zeros. Now that I've multiplied all 4 boxes, I'm going to add them up. 700, 420, 90, and 54. As you can see, I'm lining up my place value. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 equals 4. 2 plus 9 equals 11. Plus 5 equals 16, so I'm going to put my 6 and carry my 1. 1 plus 7 equals 8, plus 4 equals 12. So that is my answer. If you want to, you can put a comma. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do it standard method. I like to do it standing up. Okay, what I'm going to do is ignore that 1. 6 times 9 equals 54. So I'm going to put my 5 there, my 4 there and a 5 here. Put a little plus so I remember to add it. Then 6 times 7, that equals 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Remember I have to add that plus 5. So I'm going to put 47 there. Okay, if you want, you can put an X right there because I'm done with that number. Now I'm multiplying in the tens. So because I'm multiplying in the tens, I'm going to put a placeholder under my ones column. Now, 9 times 1 equals 9, so I put my number right there. I go from right to left. And then I've already used that 5 from before, so I'm not going to use that. 1 times 7 equals 7. I've passed out the sprinkler method to all of them. So now I'm going to add it. 7 plus 9 equals 16, carry your 1. 5 plus 7 equals 12. So I got the same thing. As you can see here, I had 474. That's what you get if you add those two together. And if you add these two together there, you get 790. So you do get the same numbers, it's just a different combination. Okay, I'm going to do one more problem, and then I'm going to give you 2 problems to try yourself. Next, we're going to do 86 times 23. First, I'm going to do area. I have 4 digits, so I'm going to have 4 boxes. Remember, you're breaking it up based off place value. So 80 is the value of that 8, and 6 is the value of the 6. 20 is the value of the 2, and 3 is the value of that 3. So now I'm going to put my equations in here. 80 times 20, 20 times 6, 80 times 3, and 6 times 3. Okay, we'll start here with the easiest. 6 times 0 equals 0, and 6 times 2 equals 12. 6 times 3 equals 18. 3 times 0 equals 0, and 3 times 8 equals 24. Here I'm going to say, what's 2 times 8? 16. And there's 2 zeros, so I'm going to put 2 zeros on the end. So here, now, because I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm going to add up my numbers. Remember to make sure your place values are lining up. 0 plus 0 plus equals 8. 2 plus 4 equals 6, plus 1 equals 7. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Plus 3, or plus 2 equals 9. And then 1 plus nothing equals 1. You can put your comma. Now I'm going to show you the standard method. $86 times 23. 3 times 6 equals 18. I'm going to put my 8 there and carry my 1. You can put a little plus. 3 times 8 is 24. Plus 1 equals 25. I've passed my 3 out to both, so I'm going to put an X on it. Now because I'm multiplying in the tens column, I'm going to put a 0 for placeholder. 2 times 6 equals 12. I'm going to mark that 1 out because we've already used it, and I'm going to put plus 1. 2 times 8 equals 16. Plus 1 is 17. So I'm going to put a 7 and carry my 1 there. I'm going to add them up. 8, 7, 9, 1. As you can see, we got the same exact thing. So the reason these both work is because we are touching on each place value. This breaks it up on place value, and this has you using place value, passing it out. Because see, we say 20 times 6, which we did right here. We said 3 times 80, we did it right there. Okay, so let me give you your 2 problems. I want you to try both area and standard to check. Problem number 1 is 56 times 21, and problem number 2 is 68 times 35. Come back with questions.